Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I've just finished having my lunch and I decided I need to come in my craft room and count up the money in the envelopes in each binder, just so I know how much I've got, and just in case I need to condense it at a later stage, I decided to record it for you to see. And also I'm accountable to everything that's in the binders. I'm going to start with these two. This one is a new binder. I started the new savings challenges last week, so this one is new. I'm not quite sure if you saw the actual binder, but you saw the mini My Money Matters booklet that I started. So let me start with these two and then I'll move on to that one. This one's first though, and I have a piece of paper here to write down just in case I get distracted and the calculator turns off. I had to re-record this just now because my doorbell went, Archie went berserk. I left the calculator on, and when I came back it had gone off, so I need to start again to count the money. So let's begin with that. I'm going to start with, let's get to 100. That's 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. And then When Pigs Fly and 5 Little Pigs, they're all in one envelope. The total for the both of them are in here, so that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. Just going to jot that down, so that's 140 so far. And then my Roll the Dice Double the Savings challenges, you know that's all in coins. They're in the jar, but I won't count those today. Right, so we'll do the green binder, and I'm starting with the June. I have one more row of that to finish, so that's 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, and it's usually £65, so I've got £15 left to put in there. So how much have I got in there? 50. And then the save 2023 in 2023. I've borrowed £100 out of that, but I'm putting it back in. That's most important. I have to do that. So let's see now. So that's 50, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. Plus 100 owing to the binder, so that's 825 so far. And then for the 52-week challenge, I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And for the knockout 9, I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95. That's £1,155 so far. And my completed challenges, I need to count that up as well. And these are for my yearly one, month after month. So I'm up to May with this. So let's see if we've got it all in order. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 15, 20, 25. That's 1480 so far. Right, okay. So that one's all done. And then I just want to show you, I have the Roll and Strike still. So that's 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. Yeah, that's off to the bank at some point soon. So how much was in there? 155, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 105. Yeah, for Roll and Strike. That's what I got for Roll and Strike. And then it's going to be May. It's going to be May. It's got 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. That was a total for it's going to be May. And big roll the dice. There should be 150 in here. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And that's also going to the bank. And then my Money Matters booklet. The mini booklet. I started this last week, remember. I completed these 2. I didn't complete any more, just 2 I completed. So, and then I played all of them. So in mini My Money Matters, I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So I have £1,900 in my envelopes now. That's it. I think that is it for now. Yep, I haven't got any more. That's that all done. Isn't that great though? Oh my goodness. So that's £1,900. You see that? Oh, let's have a look. There we go. And that is not bad at all. I'm so happy. Alright, lovelies. Now let's just put that there. 1900. And also I have a little Happy Mail. I have a little Happy Mail now. Do you know who this is from? Do you know? Let's see.
Let's see who this is from. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Yay! What a lovely hot pink envelope. And there we go. It's Miss My Money Matters, Miss Esther. And oh, got a little piggy. Well, considering I do not eat meat, I'm a non-meat eater, I have got a lot of meat hanging around. Look at this. This is adorable. Oh, this is so cute. Little piggy. Well, today is the day that the doorbell has been ringing and Archie's been barking. Right. Oh my goodness. Yes, that's her lovely little card there. Oh, I'm so happy I got my wafty wafty. Oh my goodness, my wafty wafty, wafty wafty. My wafty wafty cash challenge. I am so happy I've got this now and I can get started. It's going into this binder because I have the rest of them here that I worked out what I'm putting into them, but I'm not starting anything right now until I have finished one at a time. I don't have very much money. I'm on a very low income, so I will just play them as I go along. But oh, I'm so happy with the £1,900 that I've managed to save in my binders. And also I loved my Happy Mail today. Esther, thank you so much. She's Esther from My Money Matters. I will link her channel below and her Etsy shop below as well. And she is my post fairy. Oh my goodness, this came amazingly quick as well. Amazingly quick. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.